Yes, bro. Yes.
How are you, sir?
Good, bro. Hello.
You are shaking a lot your phone. Don't shake, please. Yeah, that's correct.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear your sweet voice.
Thank you.
Yes,
Uh,
come on, brother. What's your name? Tell me your full
Nagaraj, bro.
name.
My name is Nagaraj.
Raja.
Uh,
Where are you calling from, brother?
I am from Karnataka.
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 How's Karnataka? Good?
Yeah, good.
Yes, brother. Tell me, how's things?
Because I am little bit nervous now.
Wha- Why you nervous? I didn't call you for interview, brother. You didn't call me for interview. Why you nervous? We are brother. Just open-minded. Be frank. Be frank. Feel like I'm your brother. I'm your friend. Feel like I'm your friend. Come on, let's do it. Don't be
Because
nervous. Don't hesitate.
okay, bro. Okay.
Okay, come on.
Mm. Because this is my first conversation
Hmm.
with another person.
With another person.
Uh,
Yes. Okay, come on.
I never talk with another one.
Uh,
Uh,
Another one. Yes. Tell me.
because I am nervous.
I'll tell you, don't be nervous. Don't nervous. Come on. You
Okay,
can do
bro.
it. I know you can do it. You are the only one who can do it. Come on. Come
Yes,
on,
bro.
talk to me.
Bro. How is your
What's your
today?
name? Yeah, good. My good. What about you?
I am from Karnataka.
Hmm.
Yeah, I am completed my graduate.
Hmm.
Yeah, I am preparing for competitive exams.
Competitive exam for what? For what?
uh, uh, Central government.
Central government job,
Yeah, and state government.
state government as well. What kind of a
Yes,
job,
bro.
brother? Like job, what kind of a job?
Like administrative jobs.
Administration job.
Uh, like banking, RRB,
Yes. Uh-huh.
etc.
Etc.
Uh,
So that's why that's the reason that you are learning English.
yeah, because any sector English will be necessary.
Mhm.
Yeah, in competitive exams, it is necessary.
Yeah,
Uh, that's why I'm learning English.
yeah, that's very good. That's very good. Since how long? Tell me
Uh,
that.
since 6 months.
Yeah, since 6 months you are learning English.
Yes, bro.
Yes.
Mm, bro.
So how you learning English? How you learning English? Could you please tell me?
Because uh, I can see video.
Hmm.
I can. I learn.
Yeah. And what else? What else?
Uh, Reading newspaper,
Mm-hmm.
reading story.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, that's why I learn little bit.
Little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. What happened while you don't understand the word? What you do out there? What you do at that time? If you don't understand something, what you do?
I am search it in translation. Yeah.
Translation. And then what you do with this word? What you do with this word? Did you note it down or not?
Yes,
Just remember.
I noted that.
Yeah.
I noted that. Then I put into my sentence.
You put it into your sentence. How you put
Yes.
in your sentence? How? Tell me how.
Uh, if I can find a new word,
Mm.
uh, I can use how to use this in uh, word in my sentence.
Mm-hmm.
I search the Google.
Mm-hmm.
translation app,
Mm-hmm.
and I use the word in a sentence. Uh,
That, yeah, that's very good, brother. That's very good stuff. And do you practice with whom you practice, brother? With whom you practice?
Not pro. I never practice with anyone,
Why? Why?
but here uh, don't anybody cannot speak English.
Mm-hmm.
That's why
Not
I am
anybody, nobody, nobody. You should say nobody can speak English. That's the reason.
nobody. But I am
Uh-huh.
reading,
Yeah.
writing, understanding, but I can't speak.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, I understand the situation. I
Uh,
see, I see.
see, I have seen your Cambly videos,
Mm.
all the Cambly videos.
Uh,
Uh,
so are you enjoying my videos, brother?
yeah, I enjoyed.
How,
I
let tell me
enjoyed
how you enjoying. You how what you are learning something new or not?
new. Uh, I watch your video, every video 2 times.
Every why two time, brother?
It is practice, practice,
Yeah,
practice, practice. That's
mashallah.
uh, it is uh,
No problem. Take your time. I'm not in a hurry. Come on. Just think about it. Think. No problem.
uh, mm, that's why
No, no. Tell me. Tell me. Don't just say that's why. Just tell me.
I um, I watch your video every 2 times.
Yeah.
Uh, that
Mm.
speaks my mind. How
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
to talk, how to talk with, uh, how to sentence. I use it.
Mm.
Uh,
Yeah, that's very good stuff, brother. That's very amazing stuff you are doing. You're doing absolutely fantastic, you know.
thank you, bro. But I nervous.
Oh, come on. Don't nervous. Why you nervous? Nobody gonna kill you, brother. Don't feel nervous. Don't feel nervous at all.
Okay, bro.
What else do you have? What do you want to be in your life? What's your
Uh,
dream? What's your dream?
I dream. Uh, I want to become a businessman.
Yeah, yeah. Like businessman. What kind of a businessman? What business are you plan?
I plan. I don't know,
Mm-hmm.
but what I say, I forget.